Hi, it's Brian Chu with the Underwater Photography Guide. In this video, I compare the quality of underwater video taken with the GoPro Hero 6 Black versus that of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The first test is how the auto exposure and auto white balance compare between the two GoPros. As you can see, when I changed the scene from a colorful reef up to the much brighter surface water, the auto white balance and the auto exposure performance of both the Hero 6 and Hero 7 Black are very quick and snappy. The only really noticeable difference between the two is that the GoPro Hero 7 Black gives a nicer color of blue than the Hero 6. So the verdict on this test is the 7 has the same great performance on auto exposure and auto white balance as the 6. It responds quickly to changes in the scene, doesn't lose the white balance when switching between blue and a colorful reef, and the performance of both these cameras is way ahead of prior GoPro models. The only noticeable difference is that the 7 renders a nicer blue color for the water, giving the video of the 7 a nice quality boost, making it a bit better than the 6. For the second test, I compared the color and contrast of the two GoPros. There's not a major difference between the GoPro Hero 7 Black versus the 6. In terms of color and contrast, I'd say the 7 looks a little bit better than the 6 for the foreground and the fish. The main improvements, again, are the blue's a little nicer and the stabilization is definitely better. Same thing with these parrotfish, a little bit nicer color and contrast for the 7 on the foreground, and on the background the blue's a bit nicer. So the verdict on this test is that the 7 has a small edge in color and contrast for the foreground. Also noticeable are better blue colors for the background water and the much smoother image stabilization. So overall, these improvements definitely make the video of the GoPro Hero 7 Black look more polished and professional than that of the 6. Overall, there's a lot to be excited about for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Check out the rest of our review and our other comparison videos for more information. Thanks for watching.